Is this the future of marketing? Are influencers the next CEOs? Are influencers not getting enough money via brand deals? ये सारे सवालों का जवाब आज इस वीडियो में मिल जाएगा। तो चलो डिकोड करते हैं इस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स टू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी को। You must have seen from Mr. Beast Feastables to Logan Paul and KSI's The Prime. From Runal Panchal's Murcha to Triggered Insan and Fukra Insan's Focus. Influencers are not just endorsing the brand, they are creating their own. But why are influencers entering into the business world? How are they doing it so successfully? और क्या फायदा हो रहा है उनको? We'll discuss everything in this video. अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. Let's divide this into 4 segments. Why are influencers launching their brands? The strategy behind their success, the business impact, and what's the future hold. Whenever a new brand launches into the market, one of the biggest challenge they face is audience base and audience trust. एक ब्रांड को सालों लग जाते हैं to build an audience base. Even after spending crores of money, there is no guarantee that consumer will choose them. On the other hand, influencers have an upper hand with loyal and engaged following that trust their opinion, lifestyle, content, and personality. A consumer is more likely to choose a product which is recommended by their favorite content creator rather than an corporate advertisement. Studies suggest that 92% of consumer trust influencer collaboration rather than a celeb advertise, making influencer-led brand an instant success formula. Let's take an example. Mr. Beast Feastable, it sold out within hours because his audience believed in his vision. The trust factor is so high that a loyal fan base drives an initial sales momentum.
मेरी आंखों में तो देख मेरे भाई.
Another reason behind this shift is higher profit margin and complete control over the business. Unlike brand sponsorship, where an influencer get to earn one-time fee for a promotion. If you own a brand, you get to keep the profit which is much higher than the promotion fee. For example, Kylie Jenner's beauty empire, Kylie Cosmetics, turned her into a billionaire within few years. Now imagine something sponsorship alone could have not achieved. This transition allows influencers to move from short-term income to long-term wealth creation. Lastly, there is also a factor of long-term career sustainability. The digital world is so unpredictable, it may change overnight. Algorithm change, audience preference shift, प्लेटफॉर्म इवॉल्व, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. कल उठ के अगर क्रिएटर को रीच, एंगेजमेंट, व्यूज नहीं मिलता तो उसकी एग्जिस्टेंस खत्म हो जाती है. सो ओनिंग अ ब्रांड गिव्स देम टू सॉर्ट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, financial security and also a career security. For example, talking about Indian creator Ashish Chandlani just launched his beauty brand OG Beauty. Similarly, Mrunal Panchal, a beauty influencer, launched her own brand Rucha. And lastly, Fukra Insan and Triggered Insan came up with a new brand called Focus, a soft drink brand.
धंधा करो तो बड़ा करो, पर सत्तम बाय, वरना मत करो.
Launching a brand is not simple as just putting a logo on a brand. Every successful influencer brand follows a strategic approach. For example, starting with finding a right market product fit. Every successful influencer brand aligns with the creator's niche and also audience preference. For example, Mr. Beast, whose primary target is young audiences, so launched a fun and engaging chocolate bar. Similarly, Mrunal Panchal, a beauty creator, launched Mrucha, a beauty brand that resonates with her audience interest. The key here is right market product fit. An influencer just can't sell anything and expect success. It has to be authentic with its product.
बात तो सही है.
After the product is finalized, influencers rely on hype marketing and community engagement to create urgency. Unlike traditional brands who spend crores of money on big advertisements and other medium to create FOMO. But on the other hand, influencers uses exclusivity, viral challenges, and audience behavior to create urgency and FOMO among the audiences. For example, Prime Energy drink was launched during the time when Logan Paul boxing match was going on, ensuring millions of viewers would associate that product with a high energy sport event. The strategy is very clear. Make the audience feel like they are part of something big than just a product.
I am the one.
And there is a fun fact, not all influencers create a brand from scratch. Some do strategic partnership with existing manufacturer and build a brand. They partnered with industry expert to focus on quality and scalability, and they will focus on branding and promotion. Influencers coming into the market, lot of traditional brands are facing massive competition in the market. Legacy brands are now realizing that social media is driving more sales and awareness rather than traditional marketing approach. For example, energy drink market, which was once dominated by Red Bull and Gatorade, now it has been disrupted by Prime coming into the picture. Similarly, beauty brand, which was once dominated by few players into the market, right now it has been taken over by influencer-led brand like Kylie Cosmetics, Mrucha, and many more. The only strategy this brand follow is influencer marketing. जब भी कोई influencer brand launch करता है, what they do is they create a hamper and share it with all the influencer group, and this group will start talking about the brand and posting out stories on social media, which create urgency and FOMO among the audience. The influencer driven brand revolution is only getting started. Many influencers and creators are coming up with their own brands and disrupting the ecosystem. But having said that, not all influencers will get success. The initial push and hype will be given by the follower base, but to sustain in the long run, there needs to be a thinking on every step. Today the audience is so smart. If they don't get the expected value and offering, they will immediately shift to any other brand. And we have ample of option when it comes to good brand. So it is very important to give them expected value and offerings to sustain in the long run. So the golden rule of influencer entrepreneurship is authenticity plus quality is equal to long-term success. Influencers launching their own brand, it's not just a marketing. It's a fundamental shift in how business operates. If done right, an influencer-led brand can disrupt even the biggest industry. So what do you think? Which influencer-led brand is doing the best and which one is your favorite? For more detailed marketing insights, subscribe to the channel.